to make sure they inspect the drones before they fly them. That way you know that you can eliminate as much as possible, because they are basically an airplane in the air, so you want to make sure that they're flying at 100% before you launch the drone.
Our core specialty is UAVs and UAV data. If somebody comes to us, that's what we know.
Based on the drone's condition, we do a full physical analysis of the body, and then we change all of the critical components in the drone, do test flights, calibrate it, and then we'll send it back to the client in the fastest way possible. So then the downtime for the client is the least amount of time. Most of the parts that are the internal parts, there's moving parts, the servo motors, the motor itself will need upgrading after so many hours. And also there's a few sensors on the drones themselves that will need replacing after a certain amount of hours.